6 Grow Taller Exercises that really work. In this video, we will give you the best 6 Grow Taller exercises that really work. You may have different reasons for dreaming of growing taller. Perhaps your partner is towering over you and you feel uncomfortable. Maybe your family is tall and you just don't want to lag behind. However, everybody knows that height depends on many factors such as your environment, your hormones, your genes, and your nutritional habits. If you've always believed that you must accept your lack of height, think twice. It's hard, but not impossible to change your height even after you reach the age of 25. You see, people grow until they reach the age of 20 to 25. Then your chances to add an inch or two seem to come to an end. After you turn 40, your body even starts to shrink in height. The good news is, there are some exercises that may help you become taller. Some of them are extremely effective, and it may take less than a week for you to see the results. Here's some superb exercise recommendations that will help you to grow taller. Just keep in mind that your results will depend on your age. If you are already over age 25, then expensive and painful limb lengthening surgery would be the only other option for you to grow taller. Here's our 6 exercises to help you grow taller. Number 1. Hanging exercises. This exercise is extremely easy to do. There is no need for any special equipment. If you go to the gym, you can use pull-up bars for this exercise. If you don't have the time to go down to the gym, then something as simple as a tree branch will work. Make sure the branch is sturdy enough to hold your weight. You could even use monkey bars at the nearest playground for this exercise. All you need to do for this grow taller exercise is hold onto the bar tightly and hang there, not touching the ground with your feet for as long as you can. Be sure to place your palms so that they face away from you. Relax your body so that it is loose when doing this grow taller exercise. Start out first trying to hang for about 20 seconds. Then, gradually increase the time you hang from the bar. There are several benefits of this grow taller exercise. First of all, this is an anti-gravity exercise that will stretch out your body and your spine. Secondly, every muscle in your body stretches when you hang. These stretched muscles will receive more blood through your body. Your blood will circulate better into the stretched limbs of your body. What's more, oxygen will move throughout your whole body better, leading to a gradual natural height increase. Number 2. Downward dog exercise. To do this exercise, get down on your hands and knees. Your hands should be in front of your shoulders. Then, raise your knees from the floor while you're lifting your tailbone towards the ceiling. Push your heels toward the floor gently. This will help to stretch the hamstrings in your legs. You should stay this way for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this grow taller exercise 5 times. The benefits of this grow taller exercise are numerous. This exercise improves your stretching ability, which includes your arms, legs, calves, and hamstrings. A well-stretched body is a taller body. Number 3. Cobra pose exercise. For the next exercise, you'll need a sports mat. Lay down on the floor with your palms kept in a face-down position near the middle of your ribs. Your legs should be together with the tops of your feet flat on the floor. Use your back muscles, not your arms, to lift the chest from the floor. You'll stay this way for 20 seconds. This exercise helps to stretch all the muscles in your chest, shoulders, and abdominal muscles. This grow taller exercise has several other benefits, such as decreasing the stiffness of the lower back, increasing flexibility, strengthening your shoulders and arms, and firming and toning the buttocks. Number 4. Cat and cow stretch exercise. Take a position on your hands and knees. Then you will slowly press your spine up and arch your back. This is called the cat pose. Stay this way for 5 seconds, and then change the position to the cow pose. Scoop your spine in and lift your head. Press your shoulder blades back. Repeat this step in sets of 10. This grow taller exercise stretches your torso, back, and neck. It makes your spine align better, and it also helps abdominal muscles get stronger. For added benefit, it relieves back pain and calms you down. Number 5. Calves stretch exercise. For this grow taller exercise, you will face the wall standing a bit more than an arm's length away. Step forward with your right leg. Your left leg should be extended behind you with the heel flat on the floor. Start to bend your right knee, pressing down on the heel of your left leg. Stay this way for about 5 seconds. Then switch the legs as you become more comfortable with this exercise. Increase the duration you stay in the position up to 20 seconds or more. This grow taller exercise will help you to lengthen your calf muscles. Don't forget to breathe during the exercise while relaxing and avoiding the urge to tense up. Number 6. Chin and neck grow taller exercises. Sit down on a chair. It should properly support your back. Start to bend your chin until it touches your chest. If it's hard to do, bend your neck as far as it can go without you feeling pain. Stay in this position for 20 seconds. Raise your head and repeat this 5 times. Then tilt your head back, as if you want to see the stars. Stay this way for 20 seconds, then straighten your head. Repeat this exercise 5 times. Such movements stretch the neck forward and backwards. Stretching your neck backward helps to elongate the muscles in your neck, and a longer neck will give you additional height to help you be taller. We hope you've enjoyed this video highlighting 6 grow taller exercises that really work. Be sure to like this video and check out our channel for more great content like this. Thank you!